So today we are installing the suspended or drop ceiling, and right now what I'm doing, I'm using this cool bit to drive these anchors in a floor joist every 4 feet. I already planned my layout, so I pretty much know like where I'm placing them. After that, we're gonna add all the main tracks on main tees and cross tees, and we're ready to roll. I'm going to do the time lapse. So here we did a chalk line on a floor joist, so I know where my anchors go. Okay, so the part of the suspended ceiling is completed. Here we place the tracks, so just the tiles in. Here the main tee is installed, just the cross tees and tiles. Like, subscribe, because it will be good for you. It will bring you health, success, prosperity, and love.